Hi guys, welcome to the second part of the things you need to stop doing if you want to look more beautiful, elegant, and more confident. In the last video, I talked about 5 things that I think you need to stop doing if you want to look more beautiful, put together, and basically better and feeling better about yourself. And basically we talked about basic grooming details, hair care, and your face features. And in today's video, I'm gonna talk about next 5 things that I think you need to stop doing if you want to look more beautiful and have more confidence. Let's just quickly start the video. First thing that we're gonna talk about is having full and heavy lashes. They not only not look beautiful, they also look super cheap, and I don't know if anyone still likes them. I mean, I have seen some girls that still use full lashes, but I find them very cheap and unattractive for everyone. It doesn't matter whatever your eye shape is, full and heavy lashes are a big no in 2025, and I think everyone has to avoid them. And I actually like lash extensions myself. I'm not having them right now, but I like them. I'm not against them, and I think that natural lashes always look more beautiful. Next thing is following all the skincare trends, doing all the Korean skincare trends, and buying all the, I don't know, European, American, Koreans are very popular these days, but buying everything you see that goes viral on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, or whatever, is one of the wrongest things that you can do. It not only wastes your money, also isn't helpful and effective, and only using your normal, I don't know, 1 or 2 skincare steps is more effective and can do a lot better for your skin. So stop buying everything you see on the internet that goes viral or people are talking good about it. People have different skin types, and different things have different effects on everyone. And also don't forget that most of the influencers you see on the Instagram or any other social media that are talking about something, they are advertising for that and they are getting paid. So also keep that in your mind, and just because someone is advertising something doesn't mean that everyone should buy it or it's a good product. Always keep that in mind for anything, not only skincare products or beauty products. Next thing is not taking good care of your teeth. White teeth are one of the most important parts of your appearance, and when your teeth don't look clean and they look yellow and dirty, it ruins your whole look. And it doesn't matter whatever brands you're wearing, you will look not good and not put together. You will look dirty. So always take good care of your teeth. If you need to go to a dentist and do your nails do your teeth, always brush your teeth 30 minutes after every meal, floss your teeth, and take care of your teeth in general in any ways that you can. But also keep in mind that you shouldn't use harmful products on your teeth, because that will ruin your teeth throughout time. Next thing is doing heavy and cakey makeups that will look so bad on everyone. You can use full cover foundations and concealers and whatever, but first thing you have to prep your skin and use the right products for your skin type. By that I mean using right skincare products for your skin type, using right foundation, any other beauty products that you're using. It has to be good for your skin type. This is one of the most important parts to avoid looking cakey, and I actually prefer a no makeup look to a cakey and heavy makeup. Next thing you need to stop doing is not knowing your face features and not bolding the best face feature you have and putting so much makeup on every verb. For example, some people's eyes are the best feature in their face, and when they want to look more beautiful, they do a makeup that bolds their eyes and makes people focus on their eyes, and they don't do too much makeup on their lips. Just try to know your face features and see what makeup style, hairstyle looks best on you, and try that. these are the things that are very easy and very basic yet very effective and helpful if you want to look your best and feel your best. And that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also, don't be shy, give me your comments and tell me what other things that people need to stop doing if they want to look better. And we are together here to help each other and to look more beautiful. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.